Well, an interesting piece of early Spode Broseley porcelain china to show you this afternoon. Let's go over the teacup first off. First thing on the condition note on this one is it has got an original firing crack just here on the rim. Just there, you can just see it the way it's opened up. It's not cracked after production because the transfer is in alignment with it. Remnants of the gilt around the rims, central area of decoration, classic moth borders on the inner wall with this vertical rotated and scalloped rim. Remnants of a little bit of hand applied gilt decoration down the handle as well. Nicely and clearly marks Spode on the base, and just look at how deep and tall that base rim plate is. How that has survived almost 200 years is beyond me. Broseley pattern elements all around the outer aspect with temples, bridge just with 2 figures, not the usual 3. So no full elements of willow pattern here. And let's then move on to the saucer. Unmarked this particular piece, but again with a deep rim base plate. Nice gritty feel to the actual glaze there. And again, Broseley pattern. 2 figures, no birds, no willow, and masses of temples. So really nice deep saucer plate. No central well, as you'd expect from this era, and a very good match for that beautiful Spode shallow teacup. A nice set, dates from probably 1820s through to around 1840s. Just let me get in the centre of frame. And in fine condition with the one condition note on that original firing crack, but it was sold with almost 200 years ago. Link description will take you through the website. All further measurements, details are on there for you to have a good look and decide whether this is one you'd like to add to your early antique Spode collection. Thanks for watching.